Guys, you've just closed out the Reading Festival on the main stage. How was that? The crowd looked bouncing.
Yeah, yeah, it was really good. Like everyone that stayed to the end was really up for it, you know, because it's been a long sunny couple of days, you know, and it's a little chillier tonight. So you think like folk might have gone home, but no, it was really good fun. Excellent crowd.
You played a bit of new music out there.
We did. We played a new song and a new tune set, and we've been in the studio and we've got a bunch of new music coming out, which we're pretty excited about. But it's nice to get to trial that this summer.
And you played earlier today as well.
Yeah, I played with my own band this afternoon, which was a nice kind of chilled, sunny vibe. And then Manran brought the chaos and party.
It's been a pretty packed lineup, full of a lot of top quality talent. The scene's really thriving at the moment, the trad scene, the folk scene.
Yeah, absolutely, and again, it's testament to Michael and the vision of everybody that you can have a festival like this in Glasgow that's, I suppose, the equivalent to our own Glastonbury of trad music, or, you know, it's a wonderful thing to see. And what's also wonderful is to see so many people travelling, not only for Glasgow and the Central Belt, but from across the UK and across Europe. I mean, with people from Brittany and Germany here tonight to see us, who we've known for years, but equally they have been well versed in all other bands and other musicians that they've seen today as well. And traditional music's in a really lovely, strong place at this point.
Yeah, and the music's really helping to drive forward the language as well. So, you know, and you utilise that in your music as well.
Yeah, definitely. They're intrinsically linked, you know. It's such a strong part of, such an important part of Gaelic culture is the music. So it's great, and that's the easy bit to get into, frankly. You know, it's easier to learn the language. So if it brings it to more people's attention, and if it makes it fun and enjoyable for people, then we are happy to go along with that.
Yeah, that's great. And have you been watching any of the other acts that have been on the last couple of days?
Yeah, I've been here all day Saturday, all day Sunday pretty much. Well, I've been here with my kids, so I haven't been here for the late stuff, but I've caught loads of great music. It's been excellent. A really classy lineup.
Any highlights from all of you?
For me, Manran tonight were the highlight.
I actually was not here over the weekend, so.
Okay, I'm going to give you, I enjoyed loads of stuff, but I'm going to give you Elephant Sessions for yesterday as a highlight, and Bríde Campbell today for a highlight.
Yeah, Bríde was very good this afternoon. And
yeah, Julie said it was awesome.
Yeah, and she pulled out the pipes at the end. She doesn't do that too often.
No, I think like for the festival sets, it's a winner, you know.
Yeah.
It's great, and she can do it in the upper sleeve, so it's, yeah, fair play.
Yeah, absolutely. And what's the rest of the summer looking like for you guys?
Yeah, great, thanks. With lots of lovely festivals, lots of travels, tours. We're down in England quite a lot this year, something we haven't spent an awful lot of time in England with some of the bigger festivals, so we're doing a lot of those this year, and a lot of lovely looking gigs towards the back end of the year again, and then into next year and so on. So the band is continuing to, I suppose, thrive and strive, and fingers crossed that continues. As Kim said, with all the new music as well, we're looking forward to bringing out some new singles and a new album.
Tell us what you can about what we can expect with the new music, apart from the little snippet we heard earlier.
I probably won't go too much into it. We're working with a producer that we're really excited about, which we'll announce soon enough. But we've been experimenting with some different kind of soundscapes, and there's been a lot of co-writes, and it's been super fun to do it. And the sound will always kind of stay that kind of West Coast trad at its heart, but we've been having a lot of fun with some different soundscapes.
Excellent. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank you.